a century of vicissitudes and great changes. In the cultural precipitation of the blending of civilization and modernity. In the land of China, where the rise and progress are parallel. In the harmonious coexistence of development and the livable environment, there is a firm standing with the mission of creating a better living environment for human beings. A company that is moving forward. Baiyi Environmental Protection Technology Co., Limited. Baiyi Environmental Protection is located in Jinan, a beautiful spring city. It has modern production workshops, advanced automatic production equipment, and professional testing equipment. It has been rated as a national high-tech enterprise, a technology-based small and medium-sized enterprise, and has obtained the production qualification of new energy special vehicles. It is an innovative enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, sales and service of urban cleaning equipment and electric sanitation equipment. Always committed to providing customers with the most scientific, excellent and cutting-edge cleaning solutions for non-motorized vehicle lanes and sidewalks in back streets and alleys. People know that technology is the support and core of innovative enterprises, so they have gathered a group of skilled, experienced and innovative technology R&D teams, and actively carry out forward-looking, high-level scientific research cooperation and exchanges with well-known universities, and more continuously increase investment in scientific research to develop high-quality environmental management equipment suitable for the present and the future, in order to improve market competitiveness. Quality is the life of an enterprise and the future of an enterprise. Baiyi Environmental cares about the details of each product, selects high-quality suppliers in the entire industry chain, does not take low price as the standard, but only takes quality as the criterion, and strives for excellence in all aspects of production and repeats testing to ensure that each product is delivered qualified. Baiyi Environmental pursues a better life with you and me, explores the unknown of technology and establishes the development direction of new energy network connection and intelligence, solves the problems in the development of sanitation with technological innovation and makes people's living environment better, more and more beautiful. Each of us needs a clear and quiet environment in our lives. The pure electric sanitation products, independently developed by Baiyi, not only achieve the effect of traditional fuel products, but also achieve their own zero emission and low noise, make the city's sky bluer, the air fresher, and the night quieter. Networking and intelligence make the sanitation cause more possibilities in the wave of the Internet of Everything. The intelligent sanitation big data operation and maintenance platform built by BPO can monitor the whole life cycle of vehicles and use 5G network and Internet of Things technology to link people and vehicles through intelligent terminal links, so as to realize the realization of new energy sanitation vehicles. The operation trajectory, vehicle management, maintenance operation, data statistics, personnel management, and other elements are centrally controlled. Real-time monitoring of the operation time, operation scope, operation effect, etc. of each equipment in the whole process makes the sanitation work safer, simpler, more efficient, and smarter, and also promotes the technological change and optimization and upgrading of the sanitation industry. The environmental protection products, the concept of simultaneous improvement of talents and services, creating a nationwide sales and service network. At present, the products have formed a product portfolio of more than 30 models of high-pressure road washing, road maintenance, garbage transfer, road cleaning, leaf collection, garbage classification, road water tanker, etc. Each product has been verified by the market and time, becoming the guardian and witness of people's beautiful life, and silently helping the development of the city. The series of high-pressure cleaning vehicles are complete, covering more than a dozen models, such as pure electric, hybrid electric, high temperature and high pressure, etc. Customers can freely choose and customize according to their needs. The company's latest research and development of pure electric deep cleaning series is mainly used for the image project of a burn window area, the cleaning of the road surface in key areas, and restore the original color, which can achieve the effect of thorough cleaning and deep cleaning. The Pure Electric Sweeper is the third generation of Pure Electric multifunction sweeper, with super road sweeping ability independently developed, designed and produced by the company. Mobile for the scrubbing, garbage and sewage recycling, spray dust reduction, high pressure washing and other functions. Can realize cleaning in rainy days without the need to replace the filter element, reducing the cost of use. The Pure Electric Leaf collection vehicle developed by the company in 2016 filled the market gap. It provides efficient methods and strong guarantees for municipal, sanitation, gardening, and other departments to deal with concentrated fallen leaves, which has been well received by users and caused a sensation in the industry. Service is the value of an enterprise and the soul of an enterprise. It can withstand the after-sales service network, covering the whole country, and realize localized service, which is the goal of People's continuous efforts and pursuit where people provide customers with professional technical guidance, considered services, etc., so that the guardians of the beautiful environment can work safer, work more easily, and smile brighter. People believe that progress is not only to move forward quickly towards greatness, but also to strive to achieve the ultimate in details, creating value for customers and winning reputation for enterprises. Is the survival rule that people always keep in mind, so that hard work creates dreams and the years accumulate fragrance, relying on a strong scientific research team, superior product quality, and meticulous and considerate pre-sales and after-sales service. Products sell well in the north and south of the motherland and are exported to international markets such as Asia, Europe, America, etc., creating a well-known brand and forming a strategic pattern based in Shandong, going deep into the country and going international. The brilliance of quality illuminates the world and people's hearts. In the continuous exploration and development, the environmental protection has formed a cultural system of technological innovation, pragmatic struggle, service first, and people-oriented. Constantly practice the values of customer satisfaction, employee happiness, partner trust, and corporate income increase, and realize the common development and progress of the company, customers, and employees. In the future, the people will continue to carry the original intention of protecting beautiful homes, promote green development, adhere to innovation-driven, contribute to urban development with technology.
一人秉承为人类创造更美好生活环境的企业使命和愿景，以建立环卫清洁整体解决方案的视野去探索和思考，创造人居环境更美好的未来。
Let us join hands to create a greener dream, faithfully watch and make unremitting efforts for a better living environment for mankind.